am honored to congratulate you on the completion of your course of study at Texas A&M University. This is a special time amidst extraordinary circumstances. Let me begin by saying that this is not a commencement ceremony. As you know, on March 17th, we announced the postponement of this ceremony due to the pandemic and resulting in-person restrictions. I have chosen to wear my regalia to honor each of you, our beloved Aggie student graduates. I wear it also to symbolize hope. We want to welcome you to return to Texas A&M to walk in a future commencement exercise when the university is able to return to this important tradition. We will continue to closely monitor public health guidance and keep you informed of options and scheduling. Your academic achievement and willing sacrifice this semester has proven to all of us that the Aggie spirit remains an undeniable force for good. By practicing social distancing and working with your professors to complete your studies in new ways, you have helped to slow the exponential spread of this virus for the great benefit of the health and safety for our campuses, our communities, and each of us in the Aggie family. For that, I thank you. Today is about your successful completion of academic requirements, a wonderful milestone, and the conferral of your degree. Today, we acknowledge the accomplishment and commitment of our Texas A&M students at the doctoral, master's, and bachelor's levels in College Station, as well as at our branch campuses in Galveston, Texas, and Doha, Qatar, and our educational sites and professional schools located around Texas. I speak on behalf of deans, department heads, faculty, and university administration who acknowledge your demonstration of the Aggie spirit and salute your academic achievement with this video and official conferring of degrees. Joining in this conferral of degrees and celebratory video are Chancellor John Sharp to offer his warm regards, Elaine Mendoza, Chairman of the Board of Regents of the Texas A&M University System, to officially convey authority for President Young to award your degrees today, and President Michael K. Young to confer degrees and offer a charge to you as graduates. But first, we believe it is fitting that you hear from one of your own, the 2019-2020 Student Body President, Mikey Gillette, who has completed his course of study in finance from the Mays School of Business. Mikey, would you please share our invocation?
Please join me in a posture of prayer, self-reflection, or appreciation. We come together today with gratitude, having met the challenges, attained the knowledge, gained the experience, and achieved our chosen goal to graduate this day from our beloved Texas A&M University. Today is not just about our individual sense of achievement, but also about all that has brought us to this time and place. We give thanks for all the friends, family, professors, and mentors who have surrounded us with love and support and given their entire selves in teaching and showing us what it means to be an Aggie. As these degrees are conferred, let all engaged in celebrating your success resolve to honor all the values we have come to know in the Aggie spirit: excellence, integrity, leadership, loyalty, respect, and selfless service. May we go out today to work alongside with our fellow Aggies and citizens to serve our communities, nation, and the world for the greater good of all. Amen.
Howdy, I'm John Sharp, Chancellor of the Texas A&M University System, and it's my honor and privilege to congratulate you, the May 2020 graduates. I commend you for the fortitude, determination, and perseverance that you have exhibited during these trying and challenging times. Obviously, this is not the ceremony you had hoped to attend, but this is certainly a time we will not soon forget. Had we been together at a graduation ceremony today, this is the point that I would have reminded you that none of us knows what all the future holds for you as you go into the next chapter of your life. Today's pandemic is a harsh reminder of that truth. As college graduates, you are more prepared than most to adapt to change, and change will come many, many times in your life. I have no doubt you're prepared for it, thanks in large part to what you learned during your time with us. So on behalf of the Texas A&M system faculty, staff, and administration, congratulations to you, your families, friends, and loved ones who celebrate with you today in person or in spirit. Gig'em.
Hello, I am Elaine Mendoza, Chairman of the Board of Regents for the Texas A&M University System. I am honored to bring greetings on behalf of the entire Board of Regents. Today is a special day. While this may not be the graduation you hope to experience, nothing can take away from you the significance of earning your degree and graduating with your diploma. This is big. Do you remember the excitement and anticipation you felt the day you found out you were accepted? The anxiousness of the first day of class, the joys, and surely some fear and heartache you felt. The friendships and transformational learning experience you had finding your way to this very day. Your hard work paid off. You did it. Graduates, we are counting on you to do great things. We all should feel better knowing that you, each of you, who have navigated unprecedented challenges to finish what you began, will be our neighbors, leaders, and visionaries. So, live with purpose, Godspeed, and congratulations. Now, by the authority of the Texas A&M University System Board of Regents, it is my sincere pleasure to authorize Texas A&M University President Michael K. Young to confer the respective academic degree for which you have been recommended with all the rights, privileges, responsibilities, and obligations pertaining thereto.
Thank you, Regent Mendoza, Chancellor Sharp, and Mikey Gillette. Finally, the moment you have all been waiting for, the conferral of degrees. It is my privilege to ask all degree candidates to rise as able. President Young, based upon the recommendation of the faculty of Texas A&M University, I certify that these candidates have fulfilled all of the academic requirements necessary for receiving a diploma. I am honored to present them to you for the conferral of their respective degrees.
Thank you, Provost Bierke. Upon the recommendation of the faculties of this university, and by the authority vested in me as president by the state of Texas and the Board of Regents of the Texas A&M University System, I hereby confer upon you individually the degree to which you're entitled with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities pertaining thereto. Let me be the very first to congratulate the great and most recent graduate class of Texas A&M University. Congratulations to you and your families, and thank you for all you do and all you are. Now, if you're a mother or father, grandparent, aunt, uncle, anyone feeling particularly maternal or paternal towards our graduates today, or a sibling, guardian, mentor, whether watching this video with your graduate or apart from your graduate, could I ask you to stand up and let us thank you? That's right. Those of you who are family or a mentor to the graduate, you know, please stand up wherever you may be as you watch this and let us express our thanks and appreciation. I honor you. I personally thank you for helping this graduate find their way to Texas A&M. And again, honor you for your important support that led to this degree today. Thank you. In a moment, we will conclude this conferral of degrees with a special video marking powerful images and events that happened during your time at Texas A&M University. It's staggering to think about all that has happened. Many of you participated in student-led volunteer and leadership opportunities, the big event, carpool, fish camp, student government, the Corps of Cadets. Shared experiences that I want to assure you bettered our university by your very presence and your gifts. And in your participation, I hope you'll agree that you also develop skills that will serve you throughout your lifetime as you serve others. I marvel at your resilience, the way that the love in your heart rises not only in good times, but also in challenging times, be it a hurricane, a 1,000-year flood, and now a worldwide pandemic. I marvel at your enduring commitment to the success of each other and the communities and state and nation and world you serve. I also know that some of you are members of the Corps of Cadets, the Keepers of the Spirit, who are commissioning today to serve in the U.S. military. We're so proud of your achievements in this regard as well. Congratulations and Godspeed as you serve our great nation. We hope to see you again in Aggie Land, on the graduation stage and other times as well. But in the meantime, congratulations to all of you, and God bless you all.